Do you utilize Windows 11 daily? If so, then you've likely observed something irritating. Advertisements are showing up everywhere, but here's the alarming part. These aren't merely advertisements. They are monitoring beacons. Microsoft has discreetly activated a concealed advertising identifier on your computer that tracks your activity to deliver targeted content. Today, I'm going to demonstrate exactly how to deactivate this monitoring and eliminate every single pop-up on your Windows 11 permanently. Most users believe these pop-ups are simply harmless recommendations. They're not. First, they drain system resources, reducing your PC's performance. Second, they are crafted to resemble system notifications, deceiving you into selecting things you never requested. And third, they construct a profile of your behaviors. We need to eliminate this at the root. Alright, let's begin resolving this. Step 1. Disable Advertising ID. Let's terminate the brain of the operation. First, navigate to Settings and select Privacy Security in the left sidebar. Click General. You see these 5 toggles? Disable them all. Especially let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. This prevents them from creating your profile. Step 2. Lock screen settings. In the same window, navigate to Personalization. Then Lock Screen. If you have this configured to Windows Spotlight, change it to Picture. Then uncheck Get Fun Facts, Tips, Tricks, and More on your lock screen. Fun Facts is simply another term for advertisements. Step 3. File Explorer Adjustments. Open File Explorer. Select the 3 dots and navigate to Options. Click the View tab. Scroll down until you locate Show Sync Provider Notifications. Uncheck that immediately. That prevents ads from displaying directly inside your folders. Important reminder, now, understand that simply clicking the X on a pop-up doesn't stop it. It just closes that specific advertisement. Unless you modify the settings we just addressed, Windows will simply generate a new one tomorrow. Your PC is now ad-free and significantly more private. If you want to strengthen your Windows 11 security even further, I have a tutorial on the hazardous clipboard history feature that is recording everything you copy. Check it out in the description to watch that next. See you there.